Alright, so welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me for a while, then you've seen that I've tried to do a $100 to $1,000 sneaker reselling challenge that I did not finish. And we had actually did a couple episodes, built our pot up to a decent little amount, but then I'm gonna keep it real with you. Instead of focusing on the challenge, I focused on becoming a better content creator. And honestly, that's a decision I don't regret, because the size my channel is now, I probably wasn't even at half of this the last time I posted a sneaker reselling challenge. However, after speaking closely with some of y'all, some of my subscribers, I discovered that I'm trying to be a better content creator. This is the type of content that y'all wanna see. And so that's what I'm gonna do. If you wanna be a part of that group of my subscribers that I keep in contact with, go ahead and click the Discord link below. Anyway, I decided to jump back on the saddle and start up this challenge again. However, I'm not just doing 100 to 1,000, I'm doing 100 to 10,000. And I also made the decision, like, it's better if I start over instead of starting where I left off. Because outside of the fact that we just got more additions to the Rico family, the sneakers landscape has changed quite a bit since the last time I did this. So I think in order to give y'all the most value, it's best if I just start from the ground, start with a fresh $100. All right, so first let's go over some rules. The number one rule, we're only selling sneakers, all right? So not quite yet, we're not gonna get into vintage clothing or hype clothing. Further down the line we are, but right now we just wanna focus on sneakers for those of y'all who are interested in sneaker reselling. Second rule, we can buy and sell on any platform. So that means GOAT, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, you name it. Because the reality of selling sneakers is bro, you need to exhaust all your options. So that's what we're gonna do on this challenge. Now, if you are following me, then you know that I dibble and dabble with messing with bots here and there. But in this challenge I'm not gonna do it because I want to once again make this relatable to you that's watching who may not have a bot. Fourth rule, I've seen a lot of challenges and a lot of people don't like to go over the budget, and honestly I don't like to go over the budget either. However, the reality is that I think that I should be allowed at least a $10 or $15 just to cover shipping, a $10 or $15 leeway on our budget. See, the reality is that to close a deal, sometimes you got to dig a little deeper into your pocket to close the deal. And so when it comes to paying for shipping and stuff like that, that's no different. So let's give ourselves a $10 cushion for shipping, not for the retail price. So we can't go after something that's 110 or something like that. It has to be 100, but of course with shipping, everything like that, it might come out to 110, 115. Fifth rule, I will be using cook groups if I have to my advantage. Here's the thing, at first I wasn't, and some of the people in my Discord was like, nah bro, don't use cook groups. However, here's the reality. In today's reselling world, cook groups are 100% valuable, and check this out. I'm not here to sell you mine or to try to get you to join mine. I'm not even gonna say the name of mine. If you are interested in mine, the link will be in description. But there are free cook groups. There are cook groups that are in beta right now that aren't paid yet, but are gonna be paid down the line. So here's a chance for you to get in while it's free, build your capital up, build your pot up, and then boom, when it becomes paid, you can pay for it. I said that to say, bro, cook groups are a vital part of reselling today. And if you're selling without being in a cook group, hats off to you, because it is really hard to do so. So outside of that, that's all the rules. Now let's talk about how we're gonna acquire some shoes with $100. Now, there's honestly a couple different ways we could take this $100. We could go to department stores, find shoes that are marked down or on sale, check and see what they're selling for, and then try to get some profit that way. Now, if I took that route, I would probably want to find like 2 to 3 pair of shoes just to try to maximize my profits. And honestly, since they're usually brand new, bro, then that means you can sell them on StockX, you can sell them on GOAT, or even eBay. So that works out when you think about doing it that way. However, no cap, this way is also going to take some time and research, which I'm not against doing. Now, we could also take the hype sneaker right to resale market route, right? That's the most exciting one. That's the one that everybody thinks is just peaches and cream. And honestly, that's where we want to end up. But let me just keep it real with you. With $100, we can only get our hand on some Dunks, which are hard to get, some Jordan 1 lows, which don't always have profit, or some Air Force Ones that rarely have profit. And if they do, it's a minuscule amount. So we want to end up there, because you can even do all of those if you're doing volume, if you're doing a lot, because it doesn't matter how much profit you're making, you're doing a lot. However, that's not where we are right now. We're trying to get there. So we're not going to put all our eggs in that basket just yet. So the way I think I want to start this is I think the best way is to do the used sneakers business model, right? And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find some shoes in lower condition, in a dirty condition, clean them up, sell them, clean them up, get them back up to a better condition, and then sell them for the profit that, as far as somebody at my level right now with $100 in hopes and dreams of becoming a reseller, that's the best case scenario for me right now. That is also the most practical. Now, you can find some in thrift stores, you can find some in stores. However, it's rare that you're gonna find something worth flipping. What we got to do is get on Facebook Marketplace, get on eBay, get on all these different platforms and look for beaters and look for used sneakers in not so good condition. So, all right, so let's try to find us something. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and look at eBay, and of course, to me, the first thing that I go for, the most valuable Jordan sneaker right now on the market, is the Jordan 1. So I'm gonna look for a Jordan 1. All right, and then now I'm gonna go filter, right? So definitely I only want to pay 100 max, of course. Nope, not 108. Oh, press 8 again. 100 max. Right? Show results. Okay. Then I want to come back and filter. And I just seen model. Then I want to come filter the model, and I want to look for Air Jordan 1. And last, I want to do buy it now. Okay, and then condition, there it is, condition. We want to do pre-owned. All right, so here we go. So right now, these pique my interest. This is a pair of highs, Jordan 1 Rare Air. Let's go see. Okay. Oh wow. So these are worth something in the right condition, huh? Well, nah, never mind. Still for 80. Let me go to GOAT. Hold on, we need to see what size. We need to see what size. Okay, bro doesn't he don't really say what size these are, dude. What's to them? Okay, there they are, 11 and a half. All right. That matters too, whatever with the size. Okay, so brand new, they're worth about 300. Okay, cool. What about used? Okay, this is used in good condition. Okay, so about 180. Me personally, I would try to, you know what, I'm gonna make an offer on these because, let's see, $12 shipping, so that's gonna be $92. All right, give them to me for $72 and they're yours. All right, boom. So just submit offer to him. I watched the video the other day. I can get those creases out. I can also, I can get all those creases out. I can fix that. I can get those soles back white. These look legit. They don't look like whoops. Yeah, just a little dirt. I can sand that scratch down. I can bring these back up to a good condition. So I'm excited about these. I definitely think we could do something with these. But of course, let's keep looking a little bit. And this is just to show y'all my process, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just to show y'all how I look. What's wrong with these? Oh, these the 2003 boys, the mids. I don't know if I know how to do that with that material. I watched a video the other day that shows you how to restore, bro. It's so dope. So that's how you look on eBay. Now let's go Facebook Marketplace. You know what? I do this a lot. I make that little weird noise without even checking sometimes. Like sometimes I pass up on, sometimes like I learn later that I passed up on a good deal. However, my instincts tell me that this ain't one of them. But just make sure you checking, you know? Okay. Ooh, true blue threes. It comes with the paint too. Oh, he must know. Oh man, you gonna give me the paint? I can get this shoe back white. Oh man, and you gonna throw the paint in there? Man, that might be worth it. Let me message bro. Is available. Let me go see what a size true blue threes. True Blue 3s. I'm gonna assume they're the 2011 pair. Okay. Size 13. Yikes. Used. Okay. No box. That's another thing too. Make sure we, you know, we keeping tabs on if they got the box or not. Okay, but in decent condition, even in this condition, they going for about 2. I can get them back past this condition, but I'm not gonna just. Oh, wait a minute. What's that? What's that right there? Oh, okay. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. Now y'all see my process. I'm gonna spend some time, take a look at these and just browse through here and see what I can find. And then we're gonna report back and let y'all know what we can find. All right, so today we got the Yeezy Foam Runner Mineral Blue and the Yeezy Foam Runner Sand. I'm gonna try my hardest to get these, something that we can start off this challenge with and make some good profit. All right, update. I definitely took an L. The bots completely ate that release. I don't know what I was thinking that I was just gonna be able to hit manual on a release like that. But let me get my clown makeup on. All right, so usually I would not wake up this early to catch an L. However, we got to get this challenge going. All right, the green Nike Dunks are dropping today. They $100. They got some good resale. They got some good resale value already. They got some good hype around them. So bro, we actually need these so we can start this challenge. Pass me my clown makeup. I don't know why I thought I was gonna get on sneakers and take a W today, but I did not. And this the thing though. This the thing y'all gotta understand. Bots do not be hitting like that on sneakers, bro. I promise you, they do not. Like, they hit, but not like that, bro. So I don't know what's going on, but we might either have to do the Marshalls route, like I always say that I don't want to do. Because guess what? I'm gonna just keep it real with you. That's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes when you sneaker reselling, bro. Now, remember at the beginning of this challenge, I said, hey, I'm gonna use a cook group if I have to. I think I'm gonna have to call the big dogs, bro, and just use a cook group simply because right now, just on my own, from what I've tried, it hasn't worked. But that's what you do, bro. You have to exhaust all your options. Like, if you've ever asked me for advice, I told you, bro, exhaust all your options. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually use some information from the cook group. Now, with that being said, I think I seen earlier where they was talking about the Supreme Air Force Ones restock every Friday or every other Friday. We're gonna hop back on the Discord and we're gonna check that out. Those I think retail for $96, and I know they reselling for at least double that. So that's exactly what we want to do. All right, now it is true, bro. It's actually true that they do restock the Supreme Air Force Ones. Sometimes every Friday, sometimes every other Friday. Now, why is that important? Because that's a chance for any of us to make some profit at any time. All right, so with that being said, I'm definitely going for those. They're gonna actually come out. Now they're gonna come out at 10 Central Standard Time, I believe. So the thing is though, is that I'm gonna be at a meeting at that time, but I am gonna be on my phone under the desk, definitely trying to get some. We going after the white pair for sure, but hey, if we come across the black ones, we definitely copping them because hey, both of them have resale value. So man, let's hope we get them. All right, so the pack just got here, man, and honestly, it's hard to hold the camera and open it. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. All right, so we actually been waiting on these and they finally came in. We got them in at a 10.5. Let's go ahead and check these out. Oh man, okay. It's pretty dope. I think I personally like the alternate shoestrings. I don't know if y'all can see them, but I like those better. Let me know what y'all think about these too, but this is a great shoe to start our series with. We bought these at retail and I think we can get about 150 to 175 for them. So we're gonna hop on eBay, we're gonna hop on StockX and see exactly how much we can get for them. All right, so now that we got the shoes, now I just kind of want to show y'all my process, show y'all exactly how I take my pictures, how I list my items and get these things sold. So honestly, I would rather have a backdrop, you know what I'm saying? But since this is our first pair, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and rock out like this. I'm gonna show y'all the backdrop that I got though, hold on. All right, so this sort of green screen looking material, actually, I think I am gonna use it. I think I am gonna use that, bro. All right, And so now, especially if I'm taking my pictures from the top, I think I'd rather have this as my background. So I basically just take one, I'm gonna face it towards you. I basically take one like this to get a front profile of the shoe, then a side one just like this. So you know how on StockX you can kind of like rotate around the shoe? I sort of try to do that for them, you know what I'm saying? Now I kind of do one of the cool ones that, you know what I'm saying? I kind of do one of the fancy ones that people do. How they prop the shoe up like that. I'll do something like that. You know what I'm saying? I sort of, you know, want to show the features, you know, show the close-up of the features. So now I try to even get some close-ups, you know what I'm saying? Now I try to get some close-up features of the shoe. So in this case, it'll be the Supreme logo. And then I like to show the soles just to show that they are dead stock. And so boom, there you have it. We got our first shoe of the series. Hit that subscribe button so you can find out next episode if we sell them or not, how much we sell them for. Thank y'all for tuning in. Love everybody out there. Let's get it.